This is how to add a lead form directly to your Instagram business profile. Start on your profile page and click Edit Profile. From here, you're going to scroll down until you see action buttons. Once these selections load, you're going to click Add Lead Form. Instagram has a standard lead form you can use, which includes the question, what services do you need, and also collects the person's name, phone number, and email address. If you want to include different questions or collect different information, you can click this custom lead form option. The person's name is always required, but for this form, I'm also going to select that I want to collect their email. If you're creating several forms and you want to keep track of which one you're using, you can click on that advanced setting button at the bottom and you'll be able to name your form. If you don't name it, it'll just default to the date and the time. So if we go back to those form options, at the top is where you can add your custom questions. You have the option of doing multiple choice selections or a short answer. For this form, I'm going to use short answers. I'm creating this for an agency account, so for question 1, I'm going to put, what is your website? For question 2, I'm going to say, tell us more about your business and goals. And then since this is a design agency, for question 3, I'm going to say, please give a brief description of the types of design support you will need. Once you're done adding all of your questions, you can click the preview button in the top right corner, and this will show you what your form will actually look like when someone clicks on it. If everything looks good, you can go back and save your form. The next step will be deciding what you want your call to action button to say. So this button can either say apply now, learn more, get quote, or sign up. For this one, I'm going to select Get Quote, and that's what you'll see on the profile that will lead people to this form.